In this video, I'm going to show you a trading strategy that can deliver a 723% net profit and 67% win rate. Okay, so you need to go to TradingView and then open up the scripts directory and go to strategies. Now you're going to sort by the recent scripts, or you're going to search for this guy's username MYN Crypto, and you're looking for strategy myth busting number 10. This strategy is a combination of two indicators, inside bar by CMA and EMA built in. On this guy's backtesting, he managed to achieve 1000%. Perhaps this is for FTX, but I use Binance, and I'll show you how to get 400%. So go across to your chart, and you need to open up the Binance Perpetual Futures chart. You go to your indicators and open up the myth busting number 10. You want to make sure you are on the 4 hours chart. It doesn't seem to work very well on any other time frame. And open up the settings for the strategy. I'm just going to edit this to $1,000. You can set the commission to whatever your centralized exchange charges. When you use BUSD now on Binance, they charge around 0.0125. But please check what is the current rate. There are some settings you can change inside a strategy. You can change what the take profit levels are. So it's not like a conditional closing for take profit. It's set to percentages. So if you want to set these lower or take more profit at a lower level, then go ahead, feel free to change it. But one thing I think you can do in this strategy, because it's on the 4 hour chart, I would feel quite comfortable trading it with 3x leverage. And you see there, we increase our profit to 723%.